everyone, my name is Ai Otsuki. Today I'm going to show you how to make a crane bar, which is called a tsuru. So first make it a triangle and a half, hold it and make a nice crease. It will be looks like this. Then after that make it a more half triangle, the smaller version, and also please hold it tightly. Then after that lift the top part up and you can put your finger through it like this and bring down the top part into the bottom and hold the both side. Make sure that everything is holded. Then we do the same to the back side, so flip it over and lift them up halfway and put your finger through it. Then also bring down the top and hold the both sides, same as the first one. Then it will looks like this. The next turn also bring the right edge to the center line and we do the same to the left side. And on the top triangle, bring back to make a nice crease and we do the same to the other side. So bring the right edge to the center to hold it, make a nice crease and do the same to the left side. And don't forget to bring the triangle to the back. And then open up, then we already have a nice crease, then we just follow them to hold to the inside. So bring everything to the middle and hold them. Also do the same to the other side. We're going to do them also to the back side. So flip them over and open and follow the crease that we made before. So open it up and you can see the line inside. Follow, hold them. It will looks like this. Then we're going to make a tail and wing for the crane board. So again, hold them to the half, like the same along the center line. So the both edge must touch the middle part. So same to the other side. Hold them towards to the center. Then you will have a really sharp pointed edge, and this will be your nice tail and wings for the crane bird. And after that, hold them to the half, like open, make it both side has a even like two wings. And bring them up. Do the same to the other side, bring them up. Then again, open them, hold into the half. And this time you have two parts poking out, like the two pointed edge. Then we're going to pull them out to the side a little bit. It will make a nice shape of your tail and head, part of the crane bar, the tsuru origami. And you can choose right or left. I'm going to hold the left part. This will be the head. If you like, you can do the right side, it doesn't matter. And you can just pull out the wing and there is your original crane board.